AI design just crossed the line it wasn't supposed to cross. Most AI tools generate images and call it a day. But this one actually finishes the job. Today, I'm testing Lovart AI, the first AI design agent that claims it can go from idea to ready to post visuals in minutes. And it really did. Yes, it did. Not just pretty pictures, but real layouts, refined edits, and polished results like this. Yeah. But first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's love some art. Instead of starting with a blank canvas and bouncing between 5 different tools, I'm building everything directly into Lovart. I'll type a simple idea, generate multiple creative directions instantly using batch generation. Then refine it using the exclusive editing features, touch edit to adjust specific areas precisely. Text edit to rewrite stylized typography without breaking the design. And edit elements to completely redesign objects, layouts, and backgrounds. The goal isn't just to generate something cool, it's to show how Lovart moves naturally through a real creative workflow. Brainstorm, explore, refine, finalize, and even convert static visuals into motion. Okay, so now we are on Lovart, and I'm prompting it, reimagine a coffee brand as a futuristic cyberpunk cafe. Okay, so now you put that in, you prompt it. I'm going to create this beautiful cafe, all right? Let's see, it is thinking. Lovart is thinking, is executing it. It's going to create this cyberpunk cafe. There you go. Look at the new coffee brand right there. You see the beautiful details. Look at the colors. Very cyberpunk. Okay? It says Cyber Brew. I'm going to edit text and I'm changing the name of Cyber Brew to CC's Cyber Brew. Let's make it happen. And I'm changing different text. Okay? I changed it as Juice. I changed it to CC Cyber Brew. Let's see how it looks at this. There you go. CC Cyber Brew, okay? So now we did the edit text. Now we're going to touch edit, all right? So now what I'm going to do is hold the control button and click on the mouse to drop the location of where I would like to put an element. Okay, so now you must hold down the control button and use your mouse. There you go. See what it says quick edit? That is where I'm going to put the next element. You can add different features. You can add people. You can change the scene. This is beautiful if you're using this for photos, for your own merch, anything. I just added a person holding an umbrella, holding a cup of brew. Okay, he's holding a cup of coffee. Now I'm going to edit the elements to separate him. So now after I do that, I'm separating him, the customer from the scene. Look at that. Look, she just see he moved. You seen that, right? I'm changing that. I'm going to copy and paste the customer. Now you see 2. Now I'm clicking on multi-angles and I'm going to change the angle of the customer. Same customer, but now look. One customer like he's coming out. One customer like he's going in. Look, it's the same customer. He's holding the coffee. He has the umbrella. Look at that. And I changed the angle. And now I'm prompted to, look, depict the scene. Did you see that move? Look how awesome that is. You see the steam moving. You see the customers moving. You see the customers. You see the workers moving in the cafe. Did you see that? So now you could bring your scene to life. That is amazing. Okay, so now we're prompting on Lovart. Can you make an ad listing poster for a luxury Airbnb that includes photos of rooms and the floor plan? Okay, so now it is prompt and it's about to go to work. Okay, it's generating, it's going to be thinking, and boom, luxury Airbnb. You talking about luxury? That's luxury. Now I'm going to do some edit text, okay? So it says 24/7 concierge already. We're going to change it to amazing acoustics. I'm thinking this Airbnb is going to be for a podcaster for the weekend or a social media influencer, okay? So now look how beautiful this looks, okay? But I'm about to change it just with some edits, okay? Look at the gold table, coffee table. Now look, it's been changed to a white marble, okay? Look at the difference in the tub. Has been changed. You see that little faucet? It's gone, okay? One sofa had less pillows. Now the sofa has more pillows. Now the art has been changed to a microphone because a podcaster or an influencer is going to be renting out the Airbnb. This is great if you are a designer and you want to show your client this is how your home can be. This is great if you sell real estate. This is your house. This is the house empty. This is how it could be staged. So you can stage it with Lovart by just putting in some prompts and it will stage it for you. So now it makes it easier to sell the home, okay? And this is great if you rent out properties like Airbnbs and you want to design it a certain way, but you want to see how it looks before you do it. So this is great if you're a designer, realtor, or you're in any of that type of space or any of that type of business. You can prompt it, change it, edit it, create something totally different to get an idea of the floor plan and how it's going to look on the finished product. So this is fantastic. All right, so now we prompt and create a calming, modern brand identity for a wellness tea company called Calm Ritual. Okay, include a logo, poster, website, banner, and product packaging. Let's see it. All right, look how beautiful. It does look calm. Calm Ritual, look, it has the packaging, has everything. It's like a poster, everything. Now we're going to start editing. I'm going to do edit text, okay? I'm going to change wellness tea. All right? I'm not going to claim this is a wellness tea. This is an herbal tea. All right? That's our first thing we're going to do. Now, this is great if you have your own packaging, if you have a logo, if you have your own brand, if you have your own product. This is what you want to do. Now I'm going to do touch edit, okay? Now with the touch edit, you hold on. Remember, you hold down your mouse and you move it to the spot where you want to change. And I'm going to change the logo to earth tone colors to the logo. I want these warm, beautiful, soft colors. Let's see. It's thinking, it's analyzing the image. It's going to change the color, okay? Boom! Look how beautiful! Oh my goodness! I love those colors. Now I'm going to edit elements, okay? So I press edit elements. So now I'm going to change it. I like that color in the background, but I want it a little warmer, a little softer the tones, okay? We're going to give this tea company the right tones. So when you look at it, it's visually pleasing. Can you change the background to a soft, warm color? Look at that! Look how warm it is. I would drink from that. I would drink that tea. I would drink that herbal tea. The packaging is so inviting. Okay, so now look at, we did the edit text, we did the touch edit, and we did edit elements. So now we have the warm colors, we have the Calm Ritual herbal tea, we changed the logo colors, we changed the background colors, and we edit the words. Now we enlarged it. We did the elements again. We enlarged it, okay? Edit elements. I made it pop even more. So when you look at this tea, this calming effects is going to just take over, right? I love it. Okay, so now I'm going to prompt it. Can you make a cinematic ad? So we're making an ad for this shirt, my shirt, and generate multiple product shots. Okay, this is my shirt. I sell in my store. Hustle, okay? So there's my shirt. Look at all the different shots it made. Oh my good, I love that one. With the weights. Oh my goodness, and the journal and the water tumbler. I love that. Look at her rocking it she's lifting weights in the runner. I love it. I love it. So now, great job, by the way. Now I'm going to do touch edit. So remember, I'm touching where I want to change. So I'm putting the mouse where I want, and I'm going to say, have the woman jogging on an outdoor track. I don't want her running in the street. There you go. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. Now she's on a track. Now I'm going to do touch edit again. Remember, you're holding down the mouse button and you're going to click on the area where you want to change or edit. Okay. So now I am going to do touch edit again because I want to make it a real track and I wanted to say start. Okay, I wanted to say start. And look, she's rocking my hustle shirt and she's a runner. She looks fantastic. Look at the details in the legs. Look at the muscles. Okay, so now we're gonna add start, and it did it. Look at that. So now every track has a start. We gotta have a finish, right? So now we did the finish. Beautiful. All from touch edit. Okay, so now I am going to say, I'm prompting it, can you make this info and add, okay, video where this is going to be an actual video. We're going to see her run now. Okay, and I moved her around a little bit. You can move her. That's the element. You can move her around, edit elements, and I edit her. I moved her over to the left, and we're going to make a video. Look at her running. Look at the details. Her hair ponytail is bouncing. Her legs, look, she was like breathing. Did you see? She was like, oh my goodness. That was amazing. So you could take a photo and bring it to life with Lovart. Did you see how I did that? 1 minute she's like running and like just like this, and it was a still photo. Next thing she's running. The hair's bouncing, the light is shining on her. She's on a track. She's like she was going preparing for the Olympics. I loved it. Okay, did you like the cafe? Cece's cafe, that was really nice. I like how the steam was coming out. How about the lady jogging? Well, she was running. Oh my God, that was so awesome. That was mind-blowing, okay? But comment down below and comment the word design, and I'll send you the link to try Lovart for yourself. And I guarantee you will enjoy it. Yes! Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, share, hype this video, subscribe, and hit this notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Let me know in the comments down below if you'll try building with Lovart. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.